There's no question there's been a big surge in growing edible plants in our yards, and for good reason. It's not just because of high grocery prices, but the value we can put in knowing what we're putting on our table is extremely important. And there's none better than the romance series of cherries. With names like Romeo, Juliet, Cupid, Carmine, Jewel, and much more, they were actually developed at the University of Saskatchewan. So you might not think it, but we can grow very tasty cherries here in our area. They need full sun, really good soil. So adding a sea soil or a fish soil with organic matter is extremely important. They need to be well watered, but you want it to drain between waters. And fertilization is extremely important. We can enjoy them for years to come, and best yet, they don't grow super large, so you can fit them into any yard or balcony. They'll top out at 6 to 8 feet. We'll see you next time on Classic Landscaping.